Okay, so hello and welcome back for another video. Gordon here again from Aztec, and today we're going to get straight into it and we're going to be talking about ChatGPT. So again, you probably have heard about the hype around ChatGPT. You can't avoid it. Over the past few months, over the holiday period, I think everyone was talking about it, and absolutely no doubt that it is a game changer when it comes to the world of artificial intelligence and everything going on. But today we're going to more specifically talk about it in relation to e-commerce and how you can leverage ChatGPT for your e-commerce brand, your e-commerce store, and how you can, optimize your processes, make your workflow more efficient through the use of ChatGPT and artificial intelligence. So, it's self-described as a cutting-edge language model that's taking the world by storm. So, I think there's a little bit of hype around it. It's definitely an extremely useful technology in the grand scheme of things, though. I think, there's a long way to go before AI is replacing large human functions, but nevertheless, let's dive into it and look at 5 of the top ways that you can be using ChatGPT for your e-commerce business. So use case number 1 is for creating product descriptions, and we're going to use an example here. So first and foremost, you want to go over to chat.openai.com and create an account if you haven't done so already. And when you do that, you're going to get brought into the dashboard for ChatGPT, which basically looks like this. And from there, what we can do is give it prompts from this text box here. And ultimately, the power of this really does come down to the quality of the prompts that you can give ChatGPT. So the better you can get at giving it prompts for certain things, making those prompts as descriptive as possible, the better that's going to be. So coming back to our first use case for product descriptions, we're going to give it an example for write a product description for my e-commerce brand that sells waterproof sneakers aimed at millennials. So once we do that, it'll start prompting us and creating the product description immediately. And with the goal of wanting to make your processes more efficient, this may not be useful if you've got only a handful of SKUs, but if you've got a store that has 20, 50, 100 different SKUs that you want to optimize product descriptions for or create better product descriptions for, this can be super useful. So, these sneakers are durable, water resistant designs that keep your feet dry and comfortable. The sleek and modern look is a perfect everyday wear, while the sturdy construction and grippy sole provide excellent traction and support for all your adventures. So it is pretty good quality when it comes to this. And, you can refine these even further by saying, optimize, if you wanted to optimize it for specific keywords in your description. So optimize it more for the keyword, the SEO keyword, waterproof, and then it'll start rewriting the description, putting a larger emphasis on that particular word. So again, tons of useful ways that you could leverage this to create product descriptions en masse, especially if you've got large catalogs, if you have products or stores that have a large amount of products. So that's use case number 1. Use case number 2 is for creating video content ideas for specific products. So again, your marketing arm, and you might want to be thinking about the different ways or different types of videos that you could be creating. So let's do it to give me 10 examples for TikTok and Instagram reel style videos for my waterproof sneaker products. And then it's going to give me 10 examples straight away. So a short video of someone doing a dance routine in the rain, a time lapse of someone hiking in the rain, a before and after video of someone jumping into a puddle. So again, they're remembering that we want to put an emphasis on the waterproof nature of the sneakers, and it's giving us tons of examples. And again, it's up to you to kind of take creative liberty here with the rest of these options and choose the ones that you want to move forward with or take creative inspiration from them and take it from there. But another, to dive deeper into this one in particular for the video ideas is, you could further ask it to, let's take one of these as an example, a video of someone running through a car wash. So give me a script outline for idea number 5 above. So then it's going to think about it for a moment, but it really does break it down in an extremely granular level. So it's giving us an idea for the opening shot. So the way the camera does a close-up of the waterproof sneakers, and it's going to give us, coupled that with a voiceover of someone narrating, "Are you tired of soggy feet on rainy days?" Introducing our new line of waterproof sneakers. Then it's telling us to go to the next shot, another voiceover, etc. So it really does break down the entire script for an idea for this video that you could shoot for your waterproof sneakers or whatever product it is for your e-commerce brand, and really does give you a fantastic outline for everything you could do there. Moving on to use case number 3 for ChatGPT and your e-commerce brand is writing ad creative or ad copy for campaigns or ad campaigns that you might be running on Facebook and Instagram. So we're going to ask it to write me ad copy for my waterproof sneakers brand. Write me ad copy for Facebook. Let's do an Instagram ad. An Instagram ad for my waterproof sneakers brand. And then we can say make sure to add humor. So again, it's going to give me an example. "Are you tired of soggy socks and ruined sneakers on rainy days? Say hello to our dry feet and smile on your face with our waterproof sneakers. Perfect for any weather. These sneakers will keep you looking stylish and feeling comfortable no matter what Mother Nature throws at you. Whether you're running errands in the rain, hitting the trails, or just want to jump in puddles like a kid again, our sneakers have you covered." So again, it takes the prompt, making sure to add humor. It's giving us a bit more flavor to the advert there. And then again, easily expanding upon this, give me 2 additional ad alternatives. And it's going to spit out another 2 examples, remembering that we wanted to add humor in the first place and incorporating that humor into this ad copy that it's spitting out for giving us 2 alternatives for that first example. The 4th use case that we're going to look at is in relation to influencer outreach. So again, another core component of your e-commerce strategy will often be working with influencers, working with people who are going to promote your product and wanting to get in front of those people, or at least partnership with those types of people to market and sell your product. So what we're going to do is we're going to ask ChatGPT to write me a cold email outreach script that I can send to influencers who will sell, who will market my waterproof sneakers. And then make sure to add humor again. So again, it's going to write us, it's going to give us a subject line. Let's make a splash together. Again, very on brand. Dear influencer name, my name is Gordon. I am the owner of Waterproof Sneakers, a new line of waterproof sneakers that are perfect for any weather. I came across your profile and I was impressed by your style, sense of humor, and content you share with your followers. I think our product will be a great fit for your audience, and I believe that you would be the perfect person to showcase our waterproof sneakers in a creative and fun way. Our sneakers are not only stylish but comfortable, and also perfect for everyday wear, outdoor adventures, and even for water activities. With a variety of colors and unique styles to choose from. We're sure that you'll find a perfect pair to match your unique sense of style. We'd love to collaborate with you and offer you a special discount. We believe that together we could make a splash. So again, I think you can obviously feel free to come in and tweak the voice, tweak the wording as necessary, but it gives you a fantastic example of an outline that you can use for sending out influencer communications or influencer cold emails en masse, and help you, again, make that workflow much more efficient and optimized. The final use case that we're going to look at in this video is for use case number 5, which is keyword strategy. So in order to do this, what you actually want to do is get this Chrome extension called AI PRM for ChatGPT. So if you just Google AI PRM for ChatGPT Chrome extension, you can do a search for this. This is the extension here. Click into it, add it to your Chrome browser, and then when you open up ChatGPT, what will happen is once you have this added to Chrome, you will have some additional prompts here that help you specifically for SEO. So again, what we're going to do is we're going to look at one example here that will give us a keyword strategy for a specific keyword that we want to use related to our brand. So again, what we're going to do is click keyword strategy here, and we're going to enter the same example we've been using, our waterproof sneakers, and hit enter. And what this is going to do is it's going to give us a keyword outline to give us ideas for SEO blog titles that we can write for a whole host of different articles related to our brand. So it breaks it down into a table with this particular Chrome extension when you use it. So again, extremely powerful here. We can obviously see the keyword we're using is waterproof sneakers, and then it's gonna add in different alternate keywords as we go down the list here. And then it's going to give us a search intent, a transactional, and then it's going to give us a title idea for an article, as well as a meta description for that article as well. So again, stay dry in style, the top waterproof Nike sneakers. Discover the top waterproof sneakers from Nike, perfect for any weather. So again, you may not want to be using Nike as the keyword if they are technically a competitor, but you know, going down here like hiking waterproof sneakers, trekking comfort, the best waterproof hiking sneakers, hit the trails with confidence in the best waterproof hiking sneakers. These rugged sneakers will keep your feet dry and protected no matter the conditions. Get your pair today. So again, a great idea for an SEO keyword optimized article title and the meta description to go with it. And then, you know, to go even further, we can get ChatGPT to assist us in writing an article specifically around this article title and the meta description. So we could create a brand new prompt or simply use the AI PRM add-on. So if we go to new chat, again, once we have this installed, we can click on the article, and we can you can write in a competitor URL to find a competitor URL and create an entire article based on a competitor's article to do with hiking sneakers. But we're not going to go into that example for the sake of today, but it's showing us how we can create an entire content plan that is keyword optimized for SEO related to our niche, our brand, and the products that we're selling. So again, tons of ideas that it spits out here. Again, we can ask it ad infinitum to keep creating more and more ideas, refining the keywords, doing keyword alternatives, and spitting out new ideas for content. So hopefully this video is helpful. I think these are just some of the use cases that ChatGPT can be used for when it comes to your e-commerce brand. There's tons of more use cases I'm sure you can think of yourself, but start applying some of these today. I think what it ultimately does is makes or gives us a way to optimize our workflow in a number of different vectors, like for keyword research, for product descriptions, for ad copy, ad creatives, and just give us ideas and brainstorm stuff. It's never going to be 100% perfect, but it gives you the creative inspiration to take from and run with, and can actually get you, you know, a good chunk of the way there. So start putting those to use. If you think of any other use cases yourself, let us know and drop them in the comments below. And don't hesitate to reach out if you ever want to chat or book a consultation with us about anything to do with your e-commerce brand, your business, and how we can help.